So today I'm at the Hudson Yards area at a restaurant called Ci Siamo.
The menu looks really interesting. So this is the scallops and this is the pistachio mortadella. Linguine with pepper. So got a drink called Foodie Negroni. So this is a zero L drink. Hi everyone, welcome to another YouTube video from beautiful New York City.
So today I'm at the Hudson Yards area at a restaurant called Ci Siamo. So let's get this video started. It's a pretty cool and swanky restaurant, as you can see from the decor and everything. So we're gonna go and have some great food. Just waiting for it to be seated. So it'll be a fantastic video. Please watch till the end. I'm gonna show you exactly what the service is, the ambiance is, the food is all about. Let's get this video started. At Ci Siamo now, actually got a place outside, kind of in the terrace. So waiting for the menu, but it's a beautiful, beautiful evening. And it's just about 70 degrees, so very, very pleasant in New York City. So waiting for the menu to show up, and I'm going to show you exactly what is offered. And from outside, when I looked at the menu, it looked pretty interesting, but I'm going to get into all the details. And it's a beautiful evening. So nice to just chill out in the spring of New York City in Hudson Yards area. I'm going to put a link below, so definitely come and check out this place. But of course, let me tell you exactly how the food is, but the ambience is just fantastic.
All right, the menu looks really interesting. So they have the cast iron focaccia, some pizza, gnocchi, scallop tartars. It's really interesting because the noble American food with some Italian touch to it. The wine menu looks also really good. They have the champagnes, the bubbles, the prosecco, of course nice white wine, some nice rosé for the summer, of course red wine, really good cocktails, and the classics gin and tonic, Aperol and spreads, Negronis, zero proof, fantastic. So not sure what I'm going to have, but I'll let you know. So this is the scallop tartar, and this is the pistachio mortadella. So got a drink called Foodie Negroni. So this is a zero L drink. Again, sometimes I don't feel like having too much alcohol, so having this drink. Look at the color, looks so gorgeous. So it's called Foodie Negroni. It's zero alc, it's a mocktail. So let's see how it tastes. Nice, very refreshing. It's very good for a summer or a spring, evening, a Foodie Negroni. So remember, Foodie Negroni, if you're here, order that. I love that. So time to taste the scallop tartar. It's kind of spicy actually. It's the scallops with some potatoes, boiled potatoes, and it's with olive oil and has got those red crushed peppers. That gives the kick. Now I'm going to try the pistachio mortadella. Sorry, was being a little clumsy. Very nice. Love it, very fresh. Love mortadella. It's basically sliced pork with some pistachios on it. So excellent, I like the food. All right, so ordered some linguine with pepper. This looks really, really yummy. Let's see how the linguine tastes. It's piping hot, by the way. It's really nice. It's kind of very light. A little bit of the lemon sauce in it. It has green pepper and some nice cheese on top. It's really good. Loving the food over here. Everything till now has been just fantastic. So this place was kind of we were being adventurous, and I was trying to find which place to go in Hudson Yard area, and kind of just bumped into this place. But it's an amazing find, and I definitely recommend that you come over here. I'm going to put a link below. And if you have been here, definitely put in your comments below how you like the food, what you ate, all of that stuff. If you're loving my videos, definitely hit the subscribe button, and definitely do not forget to hit the bell icon, because more videos are coming and I don't want you to miss out on anything. So thank you for your support. I'm going to still show you exactly what else I'm ordering. Not sure whether I'll have any place after this, but this is just amazing whole experience, everything. And what a beautiful, beautiful evening is this. Absolutely excellent meal. Just love this place, and it was unplanned, so that's what I really liked about it. Did not plan it, was just hanging out in this neighborhood and just discovered the place. But it was an awesome discovery. I'm going to come back again because definitely the food is excellent. I want to come back and try out some of the other stuff, because there's just menu looked really good and the food was so good. So I hope you love this video, and if you're loving my video, you know what to do. So I'm going to end this video today over here and see you in the next one very soon. So good night from the Big Apple. Good night from Hudson Yards.